In this section of the Warehouse Shipment Scheduling Framework Introduction, we'll provide greater context for the concepts and definitions used throughout the framework. Shipments are described as the flow of goods into and out of a warehouse. A shipment may be comprised of one or many orders. Each order may consist of one or many order details. An order may describe a purchase requisition as items inbound from a supplier or outbound for a customer based on a sales order. The Warehouse Shipment Scheduling Framework governs the business rules for the scheduling of items being received into or shipped out from a warehouse. The Warehouse Shipments Framework is designed to incorporate the concepts, definitions, and the implementation of the business rules governing a schedule for items received into and shipped from a warehouse. Those concepts and definitions include cargo types, exceptions, breakout docks, cross-docking, and recurrence. Cargo types describe items being received into and being shipped out of a warehouse. Cargo types are designations used to categorize items contained in a shipment. Cargo types can also be used to filter and categorize shipments for effective positioning and handling. Cargo types are assigned to loading docks to represent the type of good being shipped or received at a given loading dock. Business rules are implemented to ensure shipments are placed optimally in the warehouse by position and by location and by type of cargo. Ensuring that frozen goods, for instance, are not received or shipped from the opposite end of the warehouse from where the freezers are located. Exceptions are used to define loading dock availability. An exception may be assigned to one or many loading docks accommodating cross-docking and similar activities. Exceptions are also effective for scheduling a single event or recurring events for one or more warehouse resources. Breakout docks allow for the reservation of one or two adjacent loading docks when space is required to assemble or disassemble loads prior to shipping or as part of a receiving process. Cross-docking is the process of shipping or receiving loads without the items entering or exiting the warehouse. The concept of cross-docking supports the scheduling of inbound or outbound shipments requiring two adjacent loading docks. Recurrence is a definition of scheduled events that reoccur on a regular basis. A recurrence may be scheduled daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or on a yearly basis. Using recurrence, exceptions are created once and then used to assure the shipping and receiving processes are managed appropriately. The framework accommodates the most common activities and resource scheduling requirements of many supply chain warehousing operations. For those instances where the average doesn't fit, DBI-WSF can be easily customized using its object-oriented, event-driven framework to impose a custom set of business rules, including database-level points of integration. The DBI Warehouse Shipment Scheduling Framework has been designed for integration with commercial ERP systems, including Microsoft Dynamics, SAP, corporate enterprise systems, and many other business management solutions. The DBI Warehouse Shipment Scheduling Framework implements quickly right out of the box with just a few lines of VB.NET code or suitably within a larger context of a customized enterprise planning solution.